We're going to run through how to use the customer number change utility. Under the receivable menu, you'll find customer number change. Customer number change is used when you have a customer number that is not correct as their account number, which is also their primary phone number, and it needs to be changed to a different number. This may happen either if a customer moves and has a different phone number, or this may happen if an order was entered without a phone number first and we use the invoice number plus additional characters to create a temporary customer number. In this example, we're going to use an account that we created without a phone number. And to do that, what we need to do is find that customer's number first and have that available. In this case, I know that we entered an order under test customer, so I'm going to search for that real quick. And the temporary number that we used was the invoice number plus additional zeros at the end. I'm going to just copy that number to have on hand. So under the receivable customer number change utility, I will populate the number to be changed. This displays the data, and in this case it is correct. And the new phone number should have been 616-777-9999. Click OK. And it appears that it wants to have this information without the phone number format. So click OK. And now if I was to search under that customer's name, I will see that their customer number is now 616-777-9999. Now keep in mind, if you have orders that are open, on the order itself is where each time an order is created, it stores the deliver to and the deliver to phone number on each particular order. So if you do have an order that's still in process, you'll want to go and review the open orders and also change this phone number here in the event that we were correcting an account where we did not have a customer phone number. And in here I will also do a note that says phone number corrected, and click Save. And additionally, when I created this one, I did a sales type 3, which means that there's a problem on the order. Now that I've resolved that, I'll move it to a sales type 1 for delivery. That is how you use customer number change.